All right, so what we've got here is this weld fixture that we use, and it's quite works quite well. There's a rubber knob on the end of this half 13 stud, and this handle moves in and out, moves the stud or a plunger in and out. Okay, so that's all good. That's the first thing. All right, so I want to put on any of these components, I want to add a configuration, but first I want to see what's on there. So I'm going to left click and on the handle, it says default. Okay, check down. I'm going to put slot and then check the green arrow and you'll see the slots on there. Okay, I don't like that. So in any assembly, I'm going to left click on it and the configurations are going to come up here. Let's go back to default, the way it was originally drawn. And don't forget the green check mark. Okay, green, and that slot is gone. It really is that simple. Nothing complicated about it if you do it this way. All right. If you decide to take away material on any part that has is selected to a mate, you're going to find that the mates aren't going to be there, and it's not going to work. Okay. But any of these, you're going to left click on the button, go to the arrow, and you're going to see there's all kinds of other stuff here you can add. But you want to add a configuration. So you're going to right click, add configuration. I'm going to call it bingo. You call it whatever you want. Okay? But you see, there isn't, even though we're in the bingo configuration, there's nothing changed here. So let's take the configuration, little arrows here will take me to the feature manager. And we're going to add, let me see here. Which one of these here is the camper? Let's go to sketch. We're going to sketch on this plane, okay? And we're going to sketch a plot like this here. Go to features, extruded. You can do anything you want to, but I think it's important to, uh, you know, select something that you're easily going to be able to see. Okay. There's this plot. Let's go back and change that to roll both and this configuration. And I think that we should do is, over there, okay, and we're going to call that bingo, okay? So let's go back to configurations. See where it says bingo, that's the one that we're being used. But if we wanted instead to go back to default, I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that the slot in there is gone. All right. So let's go Control Tab. All right. And I don't see that anywhere. So let's click on this rubber nut, rubber washer here. It says default, at the very top. Okay. Let's come down to bingo. And then when we select bingo, there's a green check mark, and you'll see that the slot is in there. Okay. Good enough. Now let's go back to bingo here, and we'll go down to default, and that area will be back where it was.